Hi everyone, welcome to Imee's Kitchen. Today, join me in making filled donuts. First, we put milk and then the fresh brewer's yeast, then sugar, crack one egg, and then it needs oil, 60 ml vegetable oil, followed by 500 grams all-purpose flour. Mix all the ingredients. And then one zest of an orange. This adds flavor to the donut and also it helps the dough to rise fast. Have you noticed that I did not add a pinch of salt? Now, if you like to add a pinch of salt, please do so. If the dough is so sticky, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Fold the dough a few times. You see, it's already obedient. You don't have to knead it energetically. If it is a little bit sticky, you just add flour a little bit. Don't exaggerate. Put a little oil. And then we put it back. Okay. We'll leave it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. You have to cover it. A little dusting on the kneading board over here. Okay, so you see it's soft and easy to manage it. I'm going to flatten it like this, and with the use of the rolling pin like this, put it here. I'm using Nutella. Here, if it is not available, you can use a glass. Place the formed dough directly on the baking tray. Be sure to grease it with oil or butter before placing all the formed doughs. We will cover it 30 minutes. 1 egg yolk. I'll add drops of milk. And then I'll mix them. And this will be used as an egg wash. In the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Here they are. Filled donuts are ready. And then I'll brush a little honey on each. Cover the top of each donut with white granulated sugar. Try this donut recipe. These donuts are soft and fluffy. Your family will love it, especially the kids. Thanks for watching.